There it is. So, Ms. Nicole, you already know, but you're 100% done. How does it feel to be done with all of your pre-orientation checklists and Travelpreneur Dreams? How does it feel?
Feels good. I feel like I'm a businesswoman now.
So, tell the people about your branding. Like, who do you think you want to serve as your niche?
I think I'm gonna stick with kids.
I love that. I love
Yeah.
that. So, as
Mhm.
far as your Travelpreneur Dreams pre-orientation checklist, what do you think the hardest part about it was, and what was the easiest part? Because it's always hard stuff and easy stuff.
The hardest part for me was to navigate through Travel Joy. The
Yep, but
proposal,
you
it
got
was
it.
a struggle at first.
But listen, you got it. You pushed out
Yeah.
those proposals. Your group booking page looks great,
Yeah.
and of course, always what's the saying? Practice makes progress, and practice makes perfect. Whichever person that you are, but I
I did
believe
a
that
lot of
practice makes.
proposals.
Yes, yes, yes. But they look good. They look absolutely good.
Thank you.
What was the easiest part about your pre-orientation checklist and getting all the way done with everything that you needed to get finished?
The easiest part was, what can I say now? The easiest part was listening to you telling us how to navigate through the whole
Well, good.
system. You
Listen,
are a
I
very good teacher, instructor. I will
Aw,
always dwell on that. I truly appreciate you, Tyra. Trust me.
you are so very, very welcome, Miss Nicole. Like I know it's not easy, for everybody. Everybody may not be, computer savvy. And I try to, meet everybody where they are. There's different ways to get checked off on your pre-orientation checklist. So, whether it's me showing up or, one of my trainers showing up to help, we're always here to help you guys. And that's why we started. We wanted to help people in the industry, even if they're not our agents. And we do, plan on continuing to do it that way. But Miss Nicole, I'm super proud of you. You kept pushing. You did not give up. You just kept going. And, I can't wait to see great things from you. So you're done. I'm very proud of you. And like I would tell any of my agents that are 100% done, I feel comfortable sending any client of mine that I don't have time to, put together the proposal. I feel comfortable sending them to you because you know all of the steps. You know how to put together a proposal. You know how to just go through the whole process that I showed you the same exact thing that I do. So I'm super proud of you. Your brand is all set up. Like you're ready to rock and roll. Listen,
Thank
you've already been booking. You've already been booking. You got all of the things that you
you.
need. But I'm very proud of you. Honestly, can say that I'm proud of you, and I cannot wait to see you flourish. Okay.
Thank you so much, Tyra, and continue to do what you're doing. You're the best teacher. I went to college, I went to high school, I went to a couple colleges, and I'm telling you, you are the best. You are.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And when we get off, I'm gonna approve your CLIA and push all of that through. Remember, if you need me, just call me, text me, send a signal, and I'll answer back. Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy I meet you. I am so happy, trust me.
Well, listen. Well, thank you so much for choosing Mommy and We Travels and Travelpreneur Dreams.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much
much.
for trusting us. All
Okay.
right.
All
And
right,
I'll
Tyra.
talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.